So jumping straight into today's video, first I'm going to go in and prep my hair before I go ahead and apply the ball cap. I'm using this Ericka J growth oil because this is my favorite hair oil before I put on my wigs. So I'm going to massage that in, and then after that I'm going right in with the liquid melt to slick my edges back. And when I tell you, your edges ain't going to budge, they're not going anywhere, okay? So I'm just using that to push all of that hair back so that way we can have a nice seamless base.
Baby, keep it silent. We ain't even deep as you used to be. This shit slick the body. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick the body. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She know on the basis, she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I coach her. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, only time I get some Z's. Full cook press, put on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check, it ain't nowhere near easy.
I like to use my blow dryer on warm for this process, just because it dries it without like melting the gel, if that makes sense, because if you go in with hot, it kind of like, it doesn't dry as fast. So doing it warm, look at that, not going anywhere. Okay, and we're going to do that to the next side. So now I'm going to go in with my stocking cap, and this was actually my first time using an HD stocking cap to do my ball cap method, and I'm going to be honest, I'm not really a fan. I would rather go in with a thin regular stocking cap. If I could find the ones I use specifically, I will have them either posted or I'll have it down in the description box. But HD is okay, just not really my personal preference. Do what you like to do though.
Over buying cars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we at a new location. For y'all know the guys, I hope y'all beat the case and get probation. Stashed at my mama house, 400 bands in the ventilation. Now look how I'm living, I bought a house for the money to stay at. Right when niggas think that I got soft, I'ma pull up and spray it.
So now that we have the ears cut out, I'm going to go in with some alcohol just to clean off the cap as well as my forehead, to make sure we have a nice clean surface. Then we're going to go in with the Ericka J Hold Me Down Skin Guard, and then we're going to go and apply a layer of the Ericka J glue.
Never be a bother if you want me, no problem, just say that. Never running off, so if I owe you, I got you, I pay that. Get this shit my heart, so when I'm old, I can chill and just lay back. Really from the bottom, so the trenches is where I feel safe at.
So here you want to go right outside your hairline on your forehead to apply this glue. And I like to literally trace my hairline with this. As you can see, I go around the edge, I dip in, and then I come back down for my sideburns. You want to do that and then spread the glue out so you have a nice thin layer of glue.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I've been right by your side since 2005.
Okay, hold on, wait a minute, all good just a week ago. At my house, we party every weekend, so on the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like
So in between layers, I do like to go in and clean off whatever I'm using to apply the glue, whether it's a rat tail comb or one of my edge brushes from my starter kits. I just like to go in and clean that off so that way we have a nice clean base, go in with another layer of glue, continue the process. When it gets caked up, it's kind of hard to spread the glue thin, so that's just something that I like to do to make sure I have a nice even base.
opposite, incompetent, ain't the half of it. Saturdays with young lavish, just sad as shit is I'm bad as beats they took from the cabinet. Sorry, I'm just scared of the.
Now you know when to go ahead and cut the lace, not the lace, the cap when the glue dries clear. So on my forehead it is clear, you can see straight through, but on the sides where it's still white, you want to wait until it dries clear, as you can see here. And then next I'm just going to go in and start cutting off the cap. You want to literally just cut all of that excess as close to the glue as possible without nicking yourself. But yeah, I just go in and cut all of that excess cap off, and then I use the parts that I cut off by the ears in the back to tie up the stocking cap so my braids are kept pushed up.
Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. I used to care what people thought, But now I care more, and nobody out here's got it figured out. So therefore, I've lost all hope of a happy ending, depending on whether or not it's worth it. So insecure, no one's perfect, we spend it with no shame. We blow that like Coltrane, we in here like Rogaine, or leave it like Cobain. And when I'm long gone, whole crew singing swan song, cause we all just ticking time bombs. Got a Lambo like LeBron's mom, and no matter where all of my friends go, Emily, Fam, and Lorenzo, all of them people my kinfolk, at least I think so. Can't tell, cause when them checks clear, they're not here, cause they don't care. It's kinda sad, but I'm laughing, whatever happens. Assassins are stabbed in the back of my cabin, Labrador yapping, I'm glad that it happened. I mean it, between us, I think there's something special. And if I lose my
So now that we have all of that cut off, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of my foundation shade that I like to use on my wigs. And I'm just going to tap that right across the edge of my forehead just to make sure that it's completely blended in and it's giving bald cap. And that's what it's giving. You're going to see in like 30 seconds. And here is the completed look, and like I said, it is giving bald cap and it looks great. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and we'll see you guys in the next upload.